In today's class, we'll be talking about how to file an appeal on Binance. So you have paid somebody, or somebody did not pay you and is clicking on released, and of course clicking on paid, or you have paid somebody, the person has not released your crypto. Today I'll be showing you how to file an appeal. So let's get straight into Binance and let me show you something like that. This is your P2P section on Binance, and of course this guy here, of course, come to orders. You can see this person, I paid this person a long time ago and he has not released my payment, and I've just left it that way. So I want to make a video to show you how to report this user. First of all, you click on the ad, and of course you can see his name and everything. So you must have screenshotted the proof of payment, your receipt. Click on appeal over here. When you click on appeal here, and then you can see that they are requesting for customer service intervention, so you just have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so the whole thing is that when you have filed this appeal, they will receive a message that somebody has filed an appeal and Binance will intervene and help you sort out this issue. All right, although this is a small amount, but I just want to do this so that I'm going to show a lot of people how to do it. In case you have anybody that has not paid you, somebody has clicked on your ad and have marked it as paid and he has not paid you, or you have paid somebody and the person has not released your crypto and you are sure the person has gotten your payment. This is exactly how to go about it. So let's wait until this time is already exhausted. So I'm just going to wait for some time. Okay, so we are almost there, but you see Binance has already sent a tip that if the best way is to contact the person, but sometimes you send message and send message and send message, the person will not reply, of course, so you have to find the appeal. So let's wait for the appeal to get ready. Okay, now you can now see that you can now request for customer service. All right, now just click on request for customer service and click on okay, I got it. When you are here, select the reason why you want to file the appeal. I have made a payment, but the seller has not released my crypto. This is what you're going to click on. This is what I'm going to click on. But if you know you paid extra money, okay, some people paid over. You want to pay 40, you want to pay 4,000, you go and pay 40,000, or you go and pay 400,000. I suspected the seller is coming or others. Okay, whatever you think, you can select. But in my case, I made a payment, but the seller has not released the crypto. Now you can come here and write, please, I have made a payment. Please, I have made a payment, but the seller has not released my assets. Okay, then you can say I've attached my blah blah blah, like your receipt below. Okay, so this is not this is very necessary, of course. Then you come here and you attach your payment proof. I'll be doing that shortly right now. So I've done that. When you click on this place, you will be able to attach your payment proof. Just to lead it to a gallery, you select your screenshot and you now click file an appeal. Okay, this is so easy. And once we file an appeal, Binance will send a message to the person that okay, an appeal has been submitted. And once you can see, okay, you can now link your bank account. Okay, leave this one, it doesn't matter. So you just come straight down here. So over this side, you're finding the appeal area. This is the appeal area where you can see the appeal is pending. So you just have to wait for it and it will be attended to. And so once it has been attended to, you are going to get a message that you might get a message that they're asking you to show more proofs or show maybe it has been released. For you to follow up the appeal, you click on this place written as appeal progress, of course, and this is where you're going to be finding different things. This is where you have submitted your payment, and the seller can reply anytime as fast as possible. All right, so I'll just be closing this now because I think I've shown you exactly how to do this. Have a wonderful time.